Okay, I just snuck back up to the barn so I can open up this yarn and show you guys the new colors that I had arrive. So I'm so excited because this is new velvet tube yarn. It's a new manufacturer and should be a better quality. I always have to be so careful because I'm always nervous that I'm gonna cut my yarn because they pack this so tight. Oh my gosh, okay, this is so pretty. So I had a grape velvet tube yarn before, and this color is meant to replace that. And oh my gosh, it like matches my coat perfectly. So the exciting thing is that I was able to get the velvet tube yarn wrapped in the 1.1 pound skeins, which I haven't been able to do before. It's like kind of smashed, but look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So I'm gonna unwrap this so I can show you. So the reason I decided to choose or to change cotton tube yarn is because I love the reason I decided to change my velvet tube yarn is because I love the velvet, but I tried a different manufacturer and I just felt like their quality of yarn, their exterior yarn, and then the inside fibers was just so much better. Like this just is so luxurious feeling, and this color is incredible. So I love that I'm able to get these smaller skeins because even though like if you're making a blanket, obviously you need like 8 to 10 of these for an adult size one. But for smaller projects, like for a basket or for like an Easter basket or a tiny handbag or a wreath, then these are a perfect size. And honestly, even for bigger projects, they're just easier to work with than those like big ones. So, yay. Okay, let me put this to the side. So I think that there's like 20 rolls, which would be 10 kilos, which is like 22 pounds of yarn in each box. So let's do the next one. This box is like exploding. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited about this color. This color is replacing the Raspberry Sorbet velvet tube yarn. I might just leave it as the same name. Even though the color's like maybe a touch more purple, but I think it looks so similar. So this color has been really, really popular in the past. I'm gonna leave this purple one out so you can see the difference. Aren't those colors so good? Okay. I have a table right here, so I'm kind of just moving everything over. All right, I can see there's a rip in this box. So this next color is the Flamingo Pink, which I've used mostly for my actual flamingos that I make, but it's such a pretty color. know if you saw my video from earlier today. I have so many of these plastic bags and I don't really have anything to use them for, but I hate having to throw them all away. So if anyone needs packaging, isn't that color so good? Okay, I'm gonna grab my current flamingo pink so you can see the difference. Okay, so here's the current flamingo pink. Here's the new one. So you can see it's like a little more muted. So I probably actually should come up with a new color name for that one. And then this is the bubblegum pink. So this is kind of like in between the colors, but you can see this is how I've in the past gotten my velvet tube yarn, which is actually equal to 2 skeins. So this is like a double skein. So if someone orders one, then I have to like unroll it and roll it into one. And now I will just have the single one. And then obviously if you get more, then you can get as many as you want. So the interesting thing with the velvet is like, you know, it has that feel of like when you push one way, it gets darker and then lighter when you push it the other way. Okay, there's that color. Okay, let's see what's here. Ooh, I think this is one of my lighter colors. So for all you neutral fans, don't worry. I didn't just get bright colors this time. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay. So white velvet tube yarn. You guys, I've been waiting for this. I wanted to try and get this last year, probably a year ago, and my old manufacturer just wasn't able to get it. They couldn't get the thread that they needed to manufacture it. And so when this one had it, I was so excited. So pretty. Actually, now I'm wondering if this is the cream and not the white. I'm gonna open up the other boxes and then we can compare them, but I'm thinking this might be cream, which is so pretty. Okay. Lift with your legs. Okay. Next. I just love how it explodes. Okay, this is the white. That was the cream. So I'm going to show you the colors side by side. That yarn floats all over me. Okay, so here's the white that I was waiting so long for. And here's the cream that has been such a good seller and I was sold out of. So neutral fans, I got you. How they get all this yarn in this box, I have no idea. All right, so I think these other colors I got less of, so there might be 2 colors per box. But honestly, I always forget, so we will be surprised together. Oh my gosh, see, I forgot about this color. Okay, so this is like a light brown. I'm not great with color names, so someone else give me a name. It's almost like a golden brown though. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I'm gonna go grab the brown color the chocolate color that I have now so you can compare those, and I'll be right back. Okay, I brought a few colors to compare this to. So this is the new one, which is kind of like a light brown. And then this is the chocolate brown velvet tube yarn that I currently have. So you can see those tones are very different. And then these are actually cotton tube yarns. So the texture is completely different, but you can see that the color tones kind of go really well with that, with this rust color and with the nutmeg. So I think this will be like a really good color for some of the custom dogs that I've been doing. This just feels like more true to some of their fur tones. Okay, I'll put these back. Okay, one more. And last but not least, I'm trying to remember, I know I ordered green, and maybe this is just green. Can't remember for sure. I don't even know what to call this color. Like peach? Oh my gosh, look how pretty this color is. I think this is a great color for spring and summer. I love this. So this is the darker one, and then the lighter one definitely has like that orangey peach tone to it. And let me see, I'm pretty sure I also got green, but I could be wrong. Okay, I did get green. It was stuck in with the purple at the beginning. So let me open this. And this color is so fun. So this one I got like a very small amount of because I didn't know how popular it would be, but kind of perfect that it came the day before St. Patrick's Day. So this one is so pretty. Okay, let me see if I can get them all at once. Okay, so here are all the new velvet tube yarns. Hopefully you can see them all. I always feel like I don't get a lot of yarn and then I get it and I'm like, oh yeah, I did get quite a bit of yarn. So what is this? 8 new colors, which is so fun and exciting. So let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. I hope you guys like it. Look at all of these new colors. So good. These are all velvet tube yarns. I don't know if you can tell, but look at that texture. So good. So soft, so smooth, so pretty.